October 26th, I'm driving into the community where my friend Scott lives, lives right down the block from us. And look to your left, you can see some damage as we go through. Nice, there's a poochie dog. And we're just gonna look at all the damage from Hurricane Wilma. On the left is there were some banyan trees here that are now gone. That was a banyan tree. That's a lake, which has a lot of trees in it now. And when it come up to the houses where there is just a ton of damage. As you're gonna be able to see here. These are just all the homes that were affected. Actually, every home here was affected. More. The trees. The homes that are destroyed. And the sun's glare, I can't see too well. But here, you can see the homes that are all destroyed here. Just to get a good idea. Even to the left, right, left, to the opposite direction because the tree blocks the roads. There's some damage here on this house as I pan around. You'll see damage in there as I pan to the left. All these homes damaged. That fence came down, the guy pushed it back up. This is where my friend lives. This is not his house, this is the house next to him. As I walk to his front door, this is his house here. Lost all the shingles. Water went inside from the rain. Damage here. Damage everywhere. There was no house spared tonight.
So what's she doing with her ice?
I saw that. I don't know. She said she's gonna carry it home.
But it's gonna melt before she carries it home.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, so let's go get some manja.
Manja. We're gonna go get some Olympiad on the slide. We've named her Olympiad #1 from Hurricane Wilma. Through the carnage, the game seemed to still go on, as shown here by Talia. She's gonna do it. And here comes the slider. Here comes it. Oh, it's a good one, folks. It looks like a 9.9. I'm very impressed. Even the dog gave it a 9.9. What kind of dog is that?
Mickey, no peeing or pooping on the blanket.
Don't touch it.
Those are strict orders.